To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, I'm Harsha Sharma and welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Feluda, a name of a detective in Satyajit Ray's fictional novel, is now a name for a COVID-19 testing kit as well. TATA Medical and Diagnostics Limited has launched a coronavirus testing kit called Feluda, which is an acronym for FN-Cas9 editor-linked uniform detection assay. Amidst festival season, COVID-19 cases are increasing rapidly. But with the increase in cases, it is required to have better testing facilities and equipment. Currently, India does more than 1 million COVID-19 tests a day, nearly 60% of them using the rapid antigen method. Rapid antigen test is faster but less accurate than the golden standard RT-PCR. On this line, TATA Medical and Diagnostics has launched a COVID-19 testing kit based on CRISPR-Cas9. It is the world's first CRISPR-Cas9 based testing kit to be launched globally. ICMR and DCGI have approved the kit and it is faster than RT-PCR method. This kit can be crucial in increasing testing in India, where COVID-19 cases are still rising. This testing kit can provide results in less than 90 minutes. The Feluda uses Cas9 protein to interact with the genetic material of SARS-CoV-2 virus. Cas9 and CoV-2 are then applied on a paper strip test, which gives the result in a form of 2 lines for a positive and a single line for a negative test. The test will be a more quicker and cost-effective tool for COVID-19 testing. The CSIR Structural Engineering Research Center has designed a foldable shelter with a roof, doors, windows, and lighting facility. The shelter is portable and is made with insulating material. The shelter with 180 square feet floor space can be used as a makeshift hospital in remote areas. This module is 2.8 meters tall and can be folded with lights. The walls are made with an insulating material, frames with steel, doors are made from aluminium, and windows with transparent plastic instead of glass. It has been designed to withstand earthquakes and heavy winds during cyclones. The fully folded modules can be taken to the site and erected after leveling the site, and each module can be installed within 30 minutes. This technology was available for licensing to other industries as well, and that the institute was committed to promote this technology for its wider use and reach. New York City-based company Pfizer has recently tested a COVID-19 vaccine and the vaccine has given better results than expected. According to the journal Nature, the results of these vaccines offer the first compelling evidence that a vaccine can prevent COVID-19. Based on their trials, they have found that the vaccine to be effective in more than 90% cases. This vaccine is being co-developed by BioNTech and Pfizer. The 2-dose vaccine showed promise in animal studies and early-stage clinical trials. But the only way to know whether the vaccine works is to give it to a large number of people and then follow them over weeks or months to see whether they have become infected or symptomatic. In the press release, Pfizer and BioNTech said that they have identified 94 cases of COVID-19 among 43,538 trial participants. And they said that the vaccine was effective in 90% cases. The trial will continue until a total of 164 COVID-19 cases are detected. So initial estimates of the vaccine effectiveness could change. What is still unknown is whether the vaccine is effective on mild or moderate cases or severe cases as well. If the vaccine has the ability to be effective in this situation, then it will be a significant feat. Only time will tell this, but for now, this is a great news for us. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.